I'm sure you've heard the news. Hurricane season is here, but don't worry. We've got some must-know tips that will promote health for your family by way of a few safety reminders, as well as 2 items that we think you may consider purchasing. First things first, stash a 2-week supply of water and canned foods. That's 1 gallon of water per person per day. And don't forget the can opener. Next, stock up on batteries and flashlights. At the end of this video, we will suggest a flashlight to get. Power outages are common, but a little light can go a long way. Pro tip, grab some extra phone chargers too. Make an emergency kit, include essentials like medications, baby supplies, and pet food. Think of all the little things your family needs daily. Don't forget a first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptics, and any prescription meds should be easily accessible. Stay connected. Get a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. We will suggest one that you may get. Stick around to the end of the video. It's a reliable way to get updates if the power goes out. Secure your home, board up windows, and bring in outdoor furniture. Loose items can turn into dangerous projectiles. Know your evacuation routes. Map out the quickest, safest way to leave if you need to. Practice the route with your family. Finally, keep calm and stay informed. Follow local news and heed evacuation orders. Oh, before I forget, here are 2 products that you may get. The first is LED flashlights from Gearlight. This mini camping flashlight comes with high lumens, 5 modes, zoomable beam, powerful, bright and versatile tactical flashlight for outdoor and home use. The next is the emergency crank weather radio with 4,000 mAh solar hand crank, portable AM/FM/NOAA, flashlight and motion sensor reading lamp, cell phone charger and SOS for home and emergency. This all-in-one is truly necessary. Your safety is the top priority. Remember, preparation is key. With these tips, you'll be ready to handle whatever comes your way. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll get through this together.